All right, so yeah, tank's in there, as you can see. Water's turned on. Still doing some wrapping up touches of the well house. Obviously getting the door put on, so I got the door here. I actually forgot hinges, but for the boards putting on here, I still got the 3 left there, but I'm gonna be 1 short. So I'm probably just gonna go grab something from the store that'd be close, because these are only gonna be 7 inches wide, so I can get a 1x8 and it'll be perfectly okay. But as we go around here, I got this all completely done. So I already got the hose up in here, the wires up in here. Obviously the trench isn't done, but to finish this, to go over to the well head, I need to move the tank. So this is gonna be done kind of in stages. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna disconnect everything, which right now, gotta fill the water buffalo so the kiddo can do some laundry. Gladys is building a doghouse. Didn't do a video on that, but we'll show you when it's done. But so we're gonna go ahead and get this moved, but to do that I gotta turn off water. So but then we'll get this trench dug out and all that. But temporarily the hose is going to be above ground coming over, but we still got to get the pump pulled out today because I have an arrestor, pump arrestor. So that's this guy right here, the torque arrestor. And then I got a new safety wire to do. And then I got some of these other pieces here. So I got a pitless adapter to install, but that's why I got to dig a hole over next to the casing, but I can't do that because the tank's in the way. And then we got some cable guards. Right, to be able to put that on. So I never did any of this whenever I put the pump in there the first time. It was just done to be able to get water, right? And then I got a male adapter for running the pipes and stuff. But yeah, the hole that I need to dig is gonna be right there, basically right where that brick's at. So that's why I said I got to move all this stuff over first.
Did I need to put the wire too? You're gonna come up with a pump?
Yeah, it all comes together. I just want to roll it. Yeah, because as it comes out, you're just going to have to try to get it to go that way. It's 100 feet. Well, it's almost 100. The cap is going to come up with that. Okay.
Rafi, ven para acá. Deja eso ahí, mi amor. Deja eso ahí, ven. Déjalo ahí. Para que nos ayudes a detener esto. Let's go, Japón, go. Okay. Rosy.
¿Para este lado? Sí.
Eso que empieces, necesitamos.
I know.
Sí, mijo, pero yo no le entendía, no te entendía, me decías, cuida la tapa, pero
Watch
yo no
it.
entendía.
Allá, cuida, tapa tú, allá, vete por aquí nada.
Pues dice que tiene que ser con toda la tapa.
Sí, pero al último. Son 100 pies.
Just grab over there.
Yeah.
Grab over there. I'm coming. It's not gonna come all the way to the end, not with this pulley.
Dale. Ya, tápalo, güey. O yo la agarro ahí.
Ahí va, espérate.
La tapa que se va para abajo.
¿Ves? Por eso la estaba deteniendo yo abajo.
Suéltalo, yo te la tengo.
Probably where the rope meets the wire.
Come on over here.
I'm coming up.
Hurry up because it's slipping.
Let's not let it go down far.
Yeah, it's slipping. Ya le puedo dar vuelta para ningún lado. How about I push back and you pull?
I can do that if you want to come do the truck.
Fuck yeah.
Ay.
Slowly.
Good. Man.
Very slow. Wait. Come forward a little bit. Come forward.
More.
Wait. Whoa.
Hold it. What? The pump is there?
No, the wire.
Oh.
That's where I had the.
Okay. Hey, now move to the side.
Yeah. Just go wherever you need to go with it. Just try not to bend it because it'll kink.
Okay.
Willow. Go. Whoa. Come forward.
I'll go.
Whoa. Hold that. Stop.
Oh, the pump. Oh, why? Come on. It's on the pump?
Huh?
It's on?
No, this water draining out of it. All right, so we got the pump up and out. So this is where the arrestor is going to go on, and then yeah, I was telling her like whoa, because a lot of this wire was actually spooled down in. That's why I had to tie it off up here, Right, you can see where I had it tied because that cable's heavy, or that wire's heavy. And I just wanted to fall back down to the hole. So that's another reason why I got those little plastic cable stays. You know, kind of help with that. You space those out every so often. For the length of this, I was supposed to have at least 7, but yeah, they only had 2. So I'm gonna make do with what I got. And yeah, all right, let's get this thing put back together and back down the hole.
And then we won't be able to shower. We won't have water. And we all know how my hubby thinks.
Oh yeah.
That stinky hairy man.
Bueno, ahorita te digo. Ponle. Vamos, ponle. Entonces, quítale ahí. Wait, wait.
Hey, you can let flash.
Okay.
You gotta have to hold that. All temporary. So we can get the pitless adapter installed. Still gotta dig a trench.
Yeah.
So gotta get the pitless adapter installed. Yeah. Another step closer. Yeah, I don't want to cut it short now, and then it's not long enough for later. You know what I mean? This stuff's hard to cut when it's cold.
With the,
And then I got the up there.
you need another one? You want to put 2?
No, it's fine with 1 for now.
Okay.
But yeah, whenever we go to put it on to everything,
Okay.
it works. Okay. So hard. We'll be right back. So the tank's in here. This is the last piece of pipe that I need to get connected. The wire will be connected in. So I have to do a little bit of splicing because the wire coming from the switch. Because eventually, right, there's going to be like a little power box in here with a light switch, blah, blah, blah. But right now I'm just having to kind of do it how it was out here. It just moved over here, and then Dad was starting to trench, but it's raining. You probably can't see it, but so we need to have water, so I'm gonna continue working in the rain. So as you've noticed, we got rid of the whole big tripod thing. So now that all that is out here is the well head, which yes, right now it's just covered up with wood because we still need to get the pitless adapter put in, and then the trench is still coming over. That way we can drill a hole into the side of the casing where the pitless adapter attaches to, and then we'll get all that. So got a new safety line installed. So that's all good to go, because before, right, I was just using this stuff that was all kind of piecemealed together along with some metal rope that was in there. So now it's just a portion of metal rope still there, and then this that goes along with it. So it's a 3/8 braided nylon, I believe. Now, I don't know, it could be poly, but anyway, it is rated for what that needs to be. But Dad's been doing a really good job getting in here. I'll come and assist once it dries out just a little bit. Actually, I'm supposed to be going inside to eat. It's like a late lunch, but that's all right. I wanted to get this done beforehand. So obviously, hose coming out the door, that's temporary because I do need to run. So where the valve comes over here, right, there's going to be some PEX that connects to the wall, goes back and around the tank over to this side. That way we can have, you know, our little pre-filter. That's going to go first, and then I have a hole that's here to where I'm going to be running a spigot out the wall, which I want to get one of the frost-free spigots. That way our hose can connect to that, but this hose or another hose, I need to prep this for winter time. So that's going to be getting the electric wire that goes onto this, zip tied onto this, and then you wrap the whole hose with a insulating type tape, and then it gets covered up. So that way this will stay heated. I can put a cover over the frost-free hydrant to keep that from freezing. I can put a cover over the RV city inlet, keep that from freezing. And then the door's going to go in. I have it here. It's not ready. I still need some hinges, and I still need to put the wood onto the face of it. But we're good to go. It's all coming in. Obviously, the connections are going to be temporary for right now. Obviously, the wire going down to the pump, I had going underground. So that's correct. That's how I wanted that to be. But then the wire coming from here, I'm going to have this coming to a conduit, and then another conduit coming over. That way I want to have another little power box. All right, so I'm going to install another power box up here towards the top. That way I can have power for the switch. I can have a power for a light, and then a little heater if we're going to do that, if that's going to be needed. But so far, I'm happy with it. It's coming together. So the build's almost done, even to the point where I put up Gladys' star, and she loves it. So, but, all right, let's get inside and grab some grub. So, yeah. So I definitely appreciate you guys for following the journey. All right, we have another video you can check out here, and then we have the playlist over here that just allows you to continue to follow the journey, and we greatly appreciate that. The little icons makes it easy to subscribe to here and the side channel. And then last but not least, remember to always thank a veteran at every chance you get, not only on Veterans Day, and we'll see you on the next one. Later, y'all.